Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with an health. Have you ever thought that all fats are bad for you? Well, it's time to rethink that. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Today we're diving into high-fat foods that are good for you. We'll explore healthy fats to improve your well-being. These fats can boost your health and support weight loss. Ready to embrace a balanced approach to eating? Stick around. First up, we have the avocado, a fruit synonymous with healthy fats. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help lower bad cholesterol. Add them to smoothies, salads, or toast. Packed with fiber, they help manage weight. Avocados are a good source of potassium. So grab a few avocados next time. They're a nutritious way to add healthy fats. Let's move on to another healthy fat superstar, olive oil. This liquid gold is a staple in many Mediterranean diets, and for good reason. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. It's great for cooking, adding a rich flavor to your dishes, and perfect for salad dressings. Opt for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the most nutrients and flavor. So ditch the unhealthy cooking oils and make olive oil your go-to choice in the kitchen. Your heart will thank you. Next up, we have nuts, a powerhouse of nutrition and healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, you name it, they're all good for you. Nuts are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, both of which are beneficial for heart health. They're also a great source of fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. A handful of nuts can be a great mid-afternoon snack or a great addition to your breakfast. However, it's important to enjoy nuts in moderation as they are calorie-dense. So, next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of nuts instead of processed snacks. Don't underestimate the power of seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all excellent choices. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. You can easily incorporate seeds into your diet by sprinkling them on yogurts, cereals, or smoothies. They add a nice crunch and a boost of nutrition to your meals. Coconut oil has gained popularity in recent years. It's a source of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are metabolized differently. MCTs are absorbed quickly and used for energy. Coconut oil is incredibly versatile. Use it for cooking, baking, or even in coffee. But remember, it's high in saturated fat, so use in moderation. For a healthy and flavorful alternative, coconut oil is a great choice. Yes, you heard me right. Dark chocolate can actually be part of a healthy diet. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. A small piece of dark chocolate after dinner can be a satisfying and guilt-free way to end your day. Just remember, moderation is key. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3s from supplements like fish oil or algae oil. Make it a regular part of your diet and enjoy the delicious taste and nutritional boost it provides. For years, we were told to avoid full-fat dairy products like the plague. But the truth is, full-fat dairy can be part of a healthy diet. Products like yogurt, cheese, and milk can be beneficial in moderation, providing calcium, vitamin D, and yes, even healthy fats. Newer research suggests that full-fat dairy may not be as harmful to heart health as previously thought. Just opt for organic or grass-fed options when possible, as these tend to be higher in beneficial nutrients. So go ahead and enjoy that full-fat yogurt or cheese in moderation. Eggs are another food that has been unfairly demonized in the past. For years, we were told to limit our egg consumption because of their cholesterol content. However, we now know that dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Eggs are packed with nutrients, including protein, vitamins B12 and D, choline, and yes, healthy fats. The yolk, in particular, is a nutritional powerhouse, so go ahead and enjoy that omelette or scramble without guilt. Nut butters are a delicious and convenient way to add healthy fats, protein, and fiber to your diet. Peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. The options are endless. Nut butters are great on toast, crackers, or as a dip for fruits and vegetables. You can also add them to smoothies for a boost of creaminess and nutrition. Just be sure to choose natural nut butters that are free of added sugars, oils, and preservatives. When it comes to meat, quality matters. Grass-fed beef is a healthier choice than conventionally raised beef. Grass-fed beef has a better omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio, which is beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation. It's also higher in conjugated linoleic acid, a fatty acid linked to several health benefits. Choosing grass-fed beef is a great way to improve the nutritional value of your meals. Hummus is a delicious and nutritious dip made from chickpeas, tahini, sesame seed paste, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. It's a great source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Hummus is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a dip for vegetables, pita bread, or crackers. Spread it on sandwiches or wraps for added flavor and nutrition. Next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack, reach for some hummus. Avocado oil is another healthy fat that deserves a spot in your kitchen. It's extracted from the pulp of avocados and has a neutral flavor, making it versatile for cooking. One of the great things about avocado oil is its high smoke point, ideal for high-heat cooking methods like sautéing, stir-frying, and baking. You can also use avocado oil in salad dressings or drizzled over roasted vegetables for a healthy fat boost. Olive tapenade is a flavorful and healthy spread made from olives, capers, olive oil, and herbs. It's a great source of healthy fats, antioxidants, and flavor. Olive tapenade is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on crackers, bread, or as part of a charcuterie board. You can also use it as a topping for grilled fish or chicken for an extra layer of flavor. Next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to add some excitement to your meals, try making your own olive tapenade or pick some up from the grocery store. So there you have it, 14 delicious and easy ways to incorporate more healthy fats into your diet. Remember, fat is not the enemy. In fact, it's an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. So which of these high-fat foods are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Together, let's embrace healthy fats for a happier, healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay healthy and keep smiling. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.